What's up, guys? I'm back for another episode on the basics of photography. My name is Iro of Unit A Creatives, and this is Buhay Photographer. Welcome back, guys. Last time we talked about the basic parts of your camera, the settings, and how to navigate through it. Remember that not all cameras are the same, so take your time, be patient to know your cameras. If you miss out on those episodes, check the links here or on the description. When taking photos, we immerse in different kinds of environments. To understand photography, we need to understand how light affects our photographs. And when we say different kinds of environments, we mean different kinds of lighting conditions. We are fortunate enough that modern cameras allow us to adapt in this different kind of environments. This time, we will be looking at your different camera modes. We have the manual shooting mode, the aperture priority, the shutter priority, and we have the full automatic. First, we have the full automatic mode. Full automatic mode is when you let your camera do all the work for you. That means the camera sets the aperture, the camera sets the shutter speed, and also the ISO. Next is the shutter priority. The shutter priority is you have full control over your shutter speed and everything else is automatic. Next is we have the aperture priority mode. In aperture priority mode is when you have full control of your aperture and everything else is automatic. Lastly, we have the full manual mode. The full manual mode is when you set the aperture, shutter, and ISO by yourself or manually. We will dive deeper into these modes and when is the best time to use them here in Buhay Photographer. That's it, guys. We hope this episode has been helpful for you. Remember, mastery requires familiarity, repetition, and memory. And all of this takes time. Be extra patient as you explore your camera and its shooting modes. What do you think about this episode? Are there things you want to add? Or do you have questions? Drop down your comments and let's learn and grow together. So once again, my name is Iro of Unit A Creatives. Hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and tell your friends about us. We will see you in the next episode of Buhay Photographer.